I quit my job in a pandemic to travel the world. After starting in Italy, I then did an epic road trip through Slovenia with this one. But now we are in our new destination, and that is Croatia, and we got joined by somebody else.
What's up?
Welcome to Lena, everybody. So today we are in Rijeka. It's a harbor city in Croatia. We're just gonna explore the city a bit while being paparazzi'd all the time and see what we're gonna find. Stay tuned. So this day actually started super early at 5 AM or let's say 4:30 because we had to leave for our Flixbus to get from Ljubljana to Rijeka. So early in the morning we made our way there. Wonderful good morning from beautiful Ljubljana at 4:30 in the morning, because why not wake up at 4:30 in the morning to get your Flixbus? But apparently it's the only way to get to our next destination. And yeah, a few hours of sleep after a few drinks. Couldn't imagine it any better. I kind of fell asleep on and off, but I'm not really the best in sleeping in buses. And then we were at the border control. When we got to the border control, we got off there and then we actually saw Lena. Like, our plan was to meet here in Rijeka, but we didn't realize we were actually on the same bus when she was coming from Germany.
First mission, as always, is to find something to eat, because we got someone in our group who could get pretty grumpy when we don't have anything to eat. So yeah.
I'm so ready. I'm so hyped.
Tell the world who you are, what you want to do.
I'm Lena, if you didn't know yet.
Hello. Are you an alcoholic as well?
No, guys. I love to become like a professional photographer and filmmaker who travels the world and inspires people through my videos.
Is there anything you want to say?
No, thanks.
Okay, you're just happy
I'm
with
just
the
chilling.
situation.
Feeling the vibes.
Awesome. What? I love this! It's beautiful. What? That's awesome, I want that.
Wasn't a term of food porn. It's here. Guess who had the great idea to watch sunset from the castle on top of the hill, on top of all these having slept for just like a couple of hours and a long day. Bear with me. Wonderful good morning everyone. We are on a special mission this morning. We woke up at 6. We are all super tired because we had like a super creative session last night. And we went to visit like a rather unusual side of Rijeka, which is more like a former torpedo launch station. Like the first torpedo was made there. And now it's just more like a ruin. We just hope we get some really cool shots there, and yeah, woke up that early, so we're definitely gonna be alone. But I think it's not like a real lost place anymore because you can find it on TripAdvisor. So it's definitely not lost anymore. Are you ready?
Yes! I'm excited.
We're all still tired. Looks like we found it.